Today I'm going to show you how to merge tickets in Zendesk. So let's check it out. So the first thing we want to do on the left hand side from our dashboard is just go into this views section. We're going to see all our tickets. So you can see over here that we have the requester, which is customer, the customer's name, and you can see over here that this person has got 2 tickets with me. So I'm going to go ahead and you're going to click on the ticket that you want to merge into the other ticket. So basically the one that you would like to remove and not have the main ticket. So I'm going to go this one over here. I'm going to open the ticket. You can see the chat, and just above that in the header of the chat, you'll see a filter button, an events button, and then the 3 dots. Once you hit the 3 dots, you'll see merge into another ticket. Now, basically what it'll show you is you can either enter the ticket ID to merge into, so you can literally just click on the actual, you can actually enter the ticket ID over here, or you can simply go down and it's given you a couple suggestions, and you can now go ahead and you can just click on the one that you'd like to merge. Okay, so if we just go back over here, you will actually see that your ticket number, this one over here, is, if you just go in here, you'll see it's ticket number 4. So let's just go back and we're going to go back into this one. Okay, so this is ticket number 1. So let's go back in there and we're going to look for ticket number 4. This is it over here. We're going to click on this and it says you're merging ticket information across different requesters. That's fine. We're going to go continue merge, and then you will be presented with this page. So basically what they are saying is you're going to be merging ticket number 1, ticket number 4, and then you have the option to add this in when your ticket is merged. So this will actually go to your customer and let them know that the 2 tickets have been merged. Now, if you don't want this, you can just uncheck it. Personally, I would prefer to uncheck it because the customer maybe doesn't need to know about all of the details. All they need is their ticket to be seen to. And at the bottom, you're going to just say continue and merge. You can see on the right of the page on the top, it says merge is in progress. And within a few seconds, your tickets will be merged.